Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford's pre-owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Ford Explorer in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, as well as four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. Looking into the back, we have your cargo area and third row seating area, since you have seating for 7 in this vehicle, with cup holders in the rear. You can, of course, fold everything flat for a ton of cargo room. And you have a 12-volt power outlet. Then looking into the second row, where you have seating for 3, you also have your rear climate controls, another 12-volt, and your 2 cup holders. This vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your SUV. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle they're running, you can see it's sitting at 143,413 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, as well as your controls for your right screen, where you can access your entertainment, compass, and phone controls. And moving on to the left here, you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology, as well as your controls for your left screen, where you can access you can look at your RPMs and oil temperature, tire pressures, digital speedometer, four-wheel drive status, distance to empty. Then you have your trip 1 and 2 information, fuel economy, driver assistance features and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, SiriusXM, Bluetooth capable. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your hazards and park assist sensor shut off. Then you've got your physical media controls and your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate, but also heated front seats. And down below, you have this compartment with a USB and 12-volt power outlet. Then your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, 2 cup holders, and your terrain selector for mud rut mode, sand mode, and snow, gravel, grass mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then in the middle of that, you have your hill descent assist, and then your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside, including a USB, so you can plug something in from there too. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111, and have a nice day.